Exposure to the sun's UV rays can be damaging to our skin. Luckily, our bodies have developed a complex system of melanin production and transport to protect our outer layer of skin. Melanocytes are special types of basal cells positioned at the bottom layer of the skin which produce melanin, a dark-colored pigment which helps block UV rays. Melanocytes are interspersed with keratinocytes, the structural cells which make up most of the epidermis. Keratinocytes originate in the deepest layer of the epidermis and continually move upwards to replenish the outer layer of the skin. Melanin is produced within the melanocytes in small organelles called melanosomes. When UV light penetrates the skin and hits the melanocytes, the production of melanin is increased inside the melanosomes. These melanosomes are then ejected from the melanocytes and transported to the neighboring keratinocytes. As the pigmented keratinocytes travel to the surface of the skin, the result is darker skin. Although skin pigmentation protects from UV exposure, uneven distribution of the pigmented keratinocytes can create dark spots, resulting in uneven skin tone. The Bloom Skincare System is formulated with our Sheer Lumet Brightening Complex, along with potent active ingredients like high antioxidant ginger extract and Madonna lily leaf extract. When used as directed, these ingredients have been shown to reduce the production, transportation, and accumulation of melanin to help even skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. And as an added benefit, Young Living's Bloom System is formulated with a highly active form of hyaluronic acid to increase skin hydration for radiant-looking skin. The overall benefit is more evenly toned, younger-looking skin.